Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching Ease Coding. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your pip Python package installer or install pip, the latest version of pip on your system using pip already installed with Python. So here it is. I found it. Let's go ahead and have a look at the pip installer. So this is and also requirement of the Python. So you must have Python 3.9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. If you have, you can go ahead and upgrade pip to 25 latest version. Third, let's see what we have here. So there are multiple options. Upgrade pip, you must use this one. I will leave the link in the description, and then you can see I ran this command py -m pip install up upgrade pip. So it will do both things. It will uninstall the previous release and install the latest one. This is what it has done. So if you go ahead and run it again, you'll see it does like same thing. It says already requirement already satisfied. So this is what happens. You have to run this command py-m pip install -f upgrade pip. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye for now.